So this is a tutorial video on Google Docs. So first of all, you have to sign in on your browser and you have to open this Google Apps. From here you will open Google Drive. I am opening it from Drive. You can directly type in. I will let you know the various options, the various methods to notebook. So here you can see there are various notebooks. Now you go to My Drive and from here you click on New. You click on Google Docs. You click on any platform you want to choose, and you open Google Sheets. You have a blank spreadsheet always while giving a tutorial. So we have certain cells. Now we will just let you know the basic terminologies of this thing. So I will just open. So you know that these are known as cells, these are known as rows, columns. You're familiar of these terminologies. I will just explore for some maybe quick guide to your Google Sheet so that I can train you well. So yeah, so here you have a few this thing, the shortcuts you can see. So we have a few shortcuts, then you have sheets, you have this thing. The main thing is here. So first of all, you have this sheet name over here. You can rename it again, and you have then a steered option. You can star it so that you can easily find it and explore in your Google Drive. Like if I refresh and I look on for my steered documents, and I will find this Google Sheet there. It's because I have put it on still, but once I remove it again back to its original place, then I can remove it. Now we can relocate it anywhere I wish to. For example, it is currently in my drive itself. Then I will click on my drive. You can open it from here and you can create a new folder over there so as to save it there. So I'm gonna create a new folder there and I'm gonna move it over here. So now it is moved to tutorials. You can open it. Then you have see document status. So you can turn on the offline use so that you can easily allow the file to be opened again even when you are out of internet access. So now it is available. Then you have file option over there. So this is basically formatting toolbar. Before that you have menu bar. So this is the menu bar which I am telling you. It contains a few sets of options, 9 options all around. You have file, you have edit, view, insert, format, data, tools, extensions, help, and you have this history, who have edited it recently, the changes you can see there. So yeah, this is how you can see the timings well, and the comments also you can see. Then you have the meet option here. You can join a call again. Now you can share it over to some other people around and you can check your account. Then you have this Google Sheets home option where you can directly get back to your Google Sheets home page and you can look for other sheets there. Then you have the menu bar. You have first option of file, wherein you again have a few options which contains like new. New means you can open one new spreadsheet or you can choose one template to open. Then you can open some other already saved spreadsheet. It can be in your desktop, it can be in your computer, it can be in your shared folder, it can be in shared with me, my drive. On my drive you can look on for any, for example this, so I can easily open any document there. Then you have this import option, again the same thing. Then you have import, basically it is again you can upload anything. For example, I check out in Classroom, if I have, like, you can open anything there. So Then you have make a copy, so you can make a copy of it, this particular document, and you want to share with somebody, then you can share with others and publish it to web. Then you can email it, you can download this file in any format as you desire. Then you can rename it, move, add shortcut or drive, move to trash, you want to delete it, version history, make available offline details, settings. In settings you have some options, you have local, so I will set up it to India. So I will go by India, and you have save and reload, and now it's updated. So now it will reload it further, and yeah, it's done now. So now the spellings will show errors only if it is not according to India. Then you have this India, then you have this undo, redo, cut, copy, paste, paste special. Herein you have formattings, files, pasting. Then you have move, if you select one particular cell and then you click on edit, then you have the option of move there, so you can move it easily any cell you wish to. Then you can delete these much cells, these much values, and you can find and replace anything you wish to. Then you have next option, view, so you can show whatever you want to. Then you can freeze any particular area, you can group and ungroup, you can zoom it further. For example, I want to zoom it more to 150 degrees, let's say. So this is how I can zoom it. Then you have full screen option, well, so the controls get hide, so you can press on escape from your keyboard to again show those options. Then you have again the options of, now I will reset the zoom. Now you have the options of cells, you can insert cells and shift right down, you can add on rows, columns, you have sheet means you can add new sheet there. So I will delete this sheet, well, and again I will change the settings there, the language one, because it's kinda quite not good. So I will save and reload there. Yeah, I guess it's normal now. Yeah, it's good. Well, good. So now we were on insert options, so you have options of inserting chart, pivot table, image, overcells or incel, drawing, functions. You can check out sum, average, count, max, min, all, array, database, date, engineering, filter, financial, Google, info, logical, lookup, math, operator, parser, statistical, text, web. You can learn more, and there are many. Then you have control key or link. You can have checkbox over here, like if you wanna make the to-do list, then you can particularly add on this thing. So yeah, then you have this thing, next option, drop down, emoji, smart chips. This is a new option, it has an update there, and you can add some note. Then you have again some options, you can change on the theme there, like I wanna customize my theme according to this particular font, and I will then click on customize, done. So whenever I type anything, so the font automatically gets customized. So this is how you can customize it easily, and yeah. Then you have again numbering options, you want what type of numbers, in which format you want type of numbers. You have text, you have alignment, wrapping, rotation, font size, conditional formatting, alternating colors, clear formatting. And you have data, you can sort and insert filters, we will be talking about them in detail. You can create new form over there, and you can add some add-ons. Well, from here you can click on add-ons and get add-ons or manage add-ons, and you can click on help. For example, I wanna delete the add-ons, so I will just simply click there and I can delete the add-ons. Well, for example, this particular thing, so you can delete it from there. And then you have extensions, afterwards you have help, so you can search for keyboard shortcuts. Over here also you have keyboard shortcuts. So There are several keyboard shortcuts you can check on the categories well from here, and you can navigate it according to your convenience. So then further you have privacy policy, terms of service, functions list. So for there they have created a separate page wherein they have particularly explained the um, other particular datas. So this is the basic overview of the menu bar, and then you have again the further detail of text formatting. Afterwards you have cells, rows and columns. This option to select the entire cells. Here you have the entire thing you type in, and you have at the top bottommost area you have this plus icon wherein you can add more and more sheets, infinite number of sheets you can add there. Then you have all sheets, so you have 1, 4, you can customize and choose any. And if I want to hide these, I can want to show the side panel, so I can see the side panel also. I can again get on add-ons, and I will just click on Control A, and for example I go by here and I click on Shift, so I will simply I can add all, and I can choose more and more sheets. So now again one shortcut of creating a new document, the sheets document is just type in sheets.new, and you have an untitled spreadsheet over there. So this was a basic overview of Google Sheets. Next part is coming soon, so stay tuned till then and subscribe to my channel for getting the updates on time. Bye bye.